early wireless systems that first came out were developed by Symbol Technologies, the people who pretty much invented barcoding. Now, you've all been to stores where they would have a barcode handheld scan gun, and lots of times it would be attached with a wire, or some of them that actually scan a barcode, then put it back in a dock, and that would transfer the data. In many cases, that was not really seen as being timely, particularly if you had an inventory system that was set up so that it would do automatic re-entry points for orders. So, particularly in a warehouse environment, they came up with this technology that data could be communicated back wirelessly, real time, to a database server. You know, when you realize that you're out of a product and you've already missed your order time, well, you're missing sales. So Symbol Technology came up with the technology that lets you not only scan a barcode, but then transfer it into a system via wireless. Now, it was pre-standard. The first Wi-Fi systems Symbol came out with, they just made their own rules as they went along. So it was very pre-standard. But just like twisted pair Ethernet and 100 megabit and 1000 megabit Ethernet, it became a standard. IEEE standardized it and started making the rules so that everything could interrupt. It worked out extremely well. Now, in those days, the popular bands were the ISM band. That stands for Industrial, Scientific, and Medical Bands. And it's an unlicensed band set aside by the FCC. The only problem with being unlicensed is that if you have interference, you must tolerate it. So that was what happened. They came up with this first 2.4 gigahertz allocation for the band. The great thing about 2.4 gigahertz is the wavelengths are very short. And if you look inside your laptop and find the Bluetooth module, you'll see it's got a couple little squiggly lines of copper on a board. That's the entire antenna. The good thing about having small antennas is they could be fairly efficient and not take up too much room. In your laptop, you probably have a couple of wires on the side of the screen inside, and those are your Wi-Fi antennas. That pretty much created an entirely new industry. All of a sudden, there were people who understood networking but did not understand how wireless worked. And that's where you have a great opportunity here, because wireless truly is one of the last places where there is still smoke and mirrors, where there's magic that happens. Anybody can do wireless. All the devices you buy nowadays, they all have wireless in them. But just because you can do it doesn't mean you can do it well. So the purpose of this course is to help you understand that science behind the wireless connectivity.